Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Resolve and going directly to the Fusion page so you can work nonlinearly. Select the clip on the timeline and insert a paint node with Shift plus space. This creates a layer you control. Connect media into the paint node and make sure the node is in the viewer so you can see strokes. Once done, choose a brush preset and set size and opacity. These initial choices determine stroke behavior and how the paint blends with your underlying image. Now you paint. Pick brush mode for freehand marks, clone to sample nearby pixels, or erase to remove. You should vary size, softness, and opacity as you work, because that controls realism and edge blending. If you need motion tracking or animated paint, switch to the spline editor and keyframe strokes or use frame-by-frame mode for precise fixes. Make sure to use multiple strokes and layers to separate fixes. That way, you can adjust individual elements. To finish, merge the paint node into Media Out and Preview in the timeline. Enable Render Cache for smooth playback if the composite is heavy. If you see aliasing or unexpected seams, add a small blur or jitter reduction and refine the mask edge. This smooths transitions. If strokes land on the wrong area, use the paint node's undo history or convert the stroke to a mask and reposition it. These steps let you correct mistakes without redoing the entire paintwork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.